We'll guide you through how to fix NVIDIA performance issues and FPS drops. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Alright, first go to the Start menu and type in NVIDIA Control Panel. Open it up. Once you're here, you want to go to Manage 3D Settings, scroll down, and look for Shader Cast Size. Here, click the drop down and select Disable. After you change that, you want to hit Apply. After you do that, you can go to Adjust Image Settings with Preview. And if you want more performance, you can check Use My Preference and drag it towards Performance and hit Apply. Alright, next go to the Start menu again and now type in NVIDIA app, this one. Now from here, you want to go to Drivers tab on the left, and then on the top right, click the drop down and you want to select either Game Ready driver or Studio driver. Game Ready is better for gaming and Studio driver is better for creative apps. So select one of these and then you want to click Install here if there's an update. Alright, if you don't have NVIDIA Control Panel or NVIDIA apps, you want to go to nvidia.com/geforce/drivers and here download the automatic driver updates and install it on your PC. And now we're gonna set Windows Power Plan to high performance and kill background apps. So just click the Start menu, type in Edit Power Plan, open it up. Now here, click Power Options in the address bar at the top to go back to the full list of plans. Click Show Additional Plans, then select High Performance Plan so it becomes active. Once that's done, press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager, open the Processes tab, sort it by CPU or GPU usage, and close anything heavy you don't need. Just right click and hit End Task.